Many clients have a question in their mind that when we onboard a client for the first time for the agency ad account, whenever someone messages us something like this, the first thing we do is share the details of Kimi with them. Additionally, we provide it for free from our side. Here, we do not charge anything to activate the agency's account for Kimi. If you want to set up through us Content, where we provide additional support, we charge $50 for that. In this, we provide you with 3 pages. We provide one Facebook profile, one verified Facebook Business Manager, and one personal Microsoft ID. We provide you with the password, AD, and password. These permanent things remain with you. We provide you with all the logins one time, and additionally we offer a one-time meeting where we clear any doubts you have about the Kimi agency panel. Here we connect you with Kimi support team so that you get support. So we are charging you for the asset, not for acquiring Kimi's agency ad account. You will pay separately for acquiring Kimi's agency ad account on Kimi's dashboard, not to me personally. So after you pay me these $50, my team proceeds further and your process starts here. Regarding the asset, where they provide you with verified Facebook profile pages and email IDs, etc. So as we clear any doubts you have, we share our address, and after you send TRC B20 or whatever, after the payment comes in, we proceed with the next process, where if your Kimi dashboard is already set up, that's good. If it's not set up, we take all the details like what username and password you want, your email, and which platform to apply for, and then we proceed with your setup. As your Kimi account ID and password are created, after that we provide you with the Facebook ID password code, which is a 3-line ID. A 3-line ID means it has been reset 3 times through Meta. The more it is reset, the better it is, and the chances of it being banned are lower. We provide a Facebook ID password code, a Hotmail password, which is from Microsoft, and a backup email. We provide the entire format within this, and through this you can log into everything. You get a ready-made setup where you can start running ads from day one. You don't have to assign anything. Everything is ready-made for you. Before logging in, let me tell you, as we have completed their process, as soon as their payment came in, we processed it here. We created their ID and password and also provided them with Kimi's additional group support team. Now you can see here that there hasn't been any chatting, because on Kimi's agency panel, they won't clear any doubts or questions until you add funds. Like for requesting a first-time ad account, you need to add $33. As soon as you add it to their dashboard, your group support becomes active, and any doubts or questions are updated here, and the rest of the team's numbers are available too. So they provide you with proper support here. And on your behalf, we apply for the agency ad account for you. So in this way, the team will update you on WhatsApp that, hey friend, your ad account has arrived, and you will get a video on how to access it and how to log in. All those videos and their descriptions, terms and conditions, and all the things, plus Facebook's new updates, you will find them in the message on WhatsApp me. So you can read this, and this is how our process works. As soon as we take funds from you, we process them for you. After that, we assign you to the team. Once the team is assigned, your process starts and everything flows smoothly. We hand over everything to you within 24 to 48 hours. So you can see how many we have procured for our clients. We don't do anything without trust. That's why, because we provide you with original assets, everything is verified, because we are not charging you for the ad account. We are only charging you for the assets. You are provided with the business manager, Facebook ID, page, everything. Only then do we give you the ad account. The ad account remains free on our side. So thank you so much. If you still have any doubts or questions, you can message on WhatsApp